what do you think? Should we try it? This is the ridge, although this ridge on the Wilson Trail. It's a new fire break. Let's see where it goes. It's gonna be fun to climb up. Some rocks over here. Oh yeah, this is cool. Well, we'll go down this way here. Deer tracks. This is a cool little ridge. Oh, just gotta climb back out. This is looking below here. Back up to the Wilson Trail. Follow this little goat trail here. This is really wide. Oh, this is neat. I didn't know this ridge was so wide. It looks narrow with the brush on it. Oh, this is cool. Freshly cut. Well, it seems to end right here. Oh, what's that down there? A little plaque down there. See you come all the way down from the Wilson Trail. I see the bench up there, the strap bench. Yep. There's a rock with a plaque on it down here. I wonder what that says. Let's find out. It's not a new plaque either, it's been there a while. Some pretty much thick, so it's be fun going up. Always easier going up though, for the most part. Just all the way down, isn't it? Let you hop down so you don't fall down. Well, whoever he was. Huh. How cool is that? Oh, there's a dam down there too. They're working on the dam. That's what I keep hearing. So he must have come down here and sat for in this place down here. There's the bottom of the dam right there, behind it. Foley. Joseph D. Foley. He's only 52 years old. Not even that. Oh yeah, 52. Yeah, kind of see where we're at here. There's a canyon. The other side of that would be the Wilson Trail. That climbs up to the goat trail where the antenna farm is. I'm not going to go all the way down because I don't want to climb all the way back up. But yeah, I think this goes down to the bottom. or has that capability and wants to do so. Yeah. Check out the view. This is a drop off right here. This thing drops. I'm gonna go too much closer here. But look. Oh yeah, people have gone down there. Let's see footprints. That's as far as I'm gonna go. Yeah, look at the footprints going down. I've done some goat trails, but that one I won't do. That's just not smart. But you can't get to the bottom. Yeah, bottom's just right there. It's not too far down. Wow, wow. All these years, never been down here. How interesting. You can see the behind the dam here. That's pretty cool. Yep, there's a rope right here. Just right into that bush. Ooh. Did you trust your life on that bush? No. That shows you how steep it is. You need a rope to get up and down it. These people have gone up and down it. Nah. This is where I call it quits, right here. That's beautiful down there. Oh. Unexpected exploring for Mr. Foley's Rock. About. Well, doing some kind of work on the dam. I hear him behind and also in front of it too, so there's a telehandler in front of the dam. I hear noise from behind the dam too, so who knows? This is Joseph Foley's Rock, this place. So I almost fall into it. And there's a goat trail up there, antenna farm, and this is my new goat trail. Looks like this one goes down, not up. When you come down. Well, it goes up now. Gotta climb back out instead of down. See, up there's the Wilson Trail. That old strap bench is in there too. Doing some super wide, guys, because I want to test it out and see how it does. I did linear coming down. Wow, how cool is this? Made some still pictures, I'll be right back. Okay, continuing, I get some still pictures while I was standing there. Yeah, if you look like on the center of the screen, you can see the barricade where it's closed. So we didn't go that far, we just went up to the ridge here. That guy's coming down. So, very cool. Yeah, this ridge isn't too bad. You know. So we'll turn around here. That's the ridge. You just kind of go down below that a little bit and come to that rock. I'll climb up this thing. Then, for this, you gotta go to Home Depot, buy a tarp for the leaky shed. Fun. Put up window boxes before it rains. Very cool. We're kind of looking down the ridge there. And this is all cut past month or so. Before, there's a little scratch trail went down through here. But it was rough going. I never tried it, so that's why I didn't like the way it looked. So this will be nice for a while. Maybe grass will grow back, I don't know. A lot of deer track on it. Even some hoka track too. It's looking up the canyon towards first water. All the area up in there. We are at 1735 elevation. So we're not very high. Oh, hazy day today. A few clouds before the storm. And, pretty cool. Do smell a bit of ash though. Yeah, heart rate will probably come up the hill. Taking my time. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm gonna keep doing this. I think you go out to that rock out there. But I think there's a drop before you go back up to the cliff there. I didn't like the way it looked, so. Next time, there's some stairs down there behind the dam. Yep. Power line's going to nowhere. Very pretty. Waiting for these guys to come down before we go up. It's gives them some space. It's very pretty. I think this is an earthquake fault. I told, I know that is. I think there's a plate that runs right underneath here. One side is the something plate and the other side the other plate. I believe it's the Sierra Madre fault that goes right through here. That's why they call it Earthquake Ridge. So if there's an earthquake, I'll decide which side to stand on. Very cool. Well, looks like we've cleared the path, so I'm going to go on up. Yep, go this way. Zigzag up. Here we are at the Wilson Trail. There we are. And that's where we went. Not too bad. It drops 100 feet or so. Already. Down the Wilson Trail we go.